Hi there, welcome back to the channel. Today's story is about a pig who learned a very important lesson. Before we begin, please remember to subscribe so you won't miss any of our stories. Also, give us a thumbs up if you love the animal in today's story. Let's get started. Once upon a time in a farmyard, there lived a little piglet. She was a cute little piglet with a pink body and a curly tail. The piglet's name was Penny. Penny loved playing games in the barnyard. She would roll in the hay, splash in the puddles and play with her friends. But after her games, she never cleaned up her toys. She would leave them scattered around the barnyard. One day, Penny's mother was looking for her. "Penny, where are you?" she called. "Here I am," replied Penny. She was in the barn, but her mother couldn't find her because there were so many toys, sticks, balls, and leaves everywhere. Finally, her mom spotted her. "Penny, why is your space so messy? It looks like a disaster," said her mother. "I don't know," said Penny. "I just like to play." After their conversation, Penny's mom went to look for hay, so Penny decided to play. She pushed a ball with her nose, kicked a leaf with her foot, and knocked over a box with her tail. She was having so much fun being a little piglet. But then, ouch, Penny stepped on something sharp. She looked down. A stick had poked her foot. She tried to take it out, but it wouldn't come out. "Help!" cried Penny. "I need some help." Her mom came running. "What happened, Penny?" she asked. Her mom gently took the stick out of Penny's foot. "Be careful in your space, Penny," said her mom. "You almost hurt yourself." After her mom left, Penny sighed. "It's no fun to play here," she said. But then she saw her favorite toy, a big red ball. She wanted to play with it. She looked around. It was hard to find the ball because there were so many toys. "Where's my red ball?" she asked herself. She pushed a blue ball away, but it just made a bigger mess. The red ball was still lost. Penny felt upset. She wanted to go out and play with her friends, but she couldn't find her shoes because there was a hat on the floor. She wanted to call her friends, but first she needed to clean up her space, so she began picking up the toys. 1, 2, 3, she counted. She threw away the leaves and put the sticks back in the box. Soon, a family of ducks walked by. "Let's play Follow the Leader," they invited. "No, thank you," replied Penny. "My space is too messy." The ducks quacked and swam away. Penny felt sad. All her friends were playing, but she had to stay inside and clean up her mess. Then she heard some giggles. Her brother and sister were hiding behind a rock. They were laughing. Penny felt angry. "Clean your space," she shouted. "And then we can play," they shouted back. And they ran away. Feeling upset, Penny sat down in the middle of the mess. "I wish I could play with my friends," she cried. Suddenly, Mama Pig walked by. She saw Penny crying. "Why are you sad?" she asked. Penny pointed to the mess. "I want to play, but I have to clean up my space," she said. "Oh, sweetheart, I know how you feel," said her mom. She gave Penny a big hug. "I have an idea," she said. "Let's count the toys and make it a game." So Penny and her mom began picking up the toys. 1, 2, 3, they counted together. Soon Penny's space was clean and her toys were organized. She even found her red ball. She was so happy. Just then, her brother and sister ran over. "Can we play now?" they asked. "Of course," said Penny. She threw the ball to her brother. He chased after it and brought it back. "Yay!" shouted Penny. She threw the ball again. This time she hit her sister. She giggled. Soon all of Penny's friends were playing in the barnyard. They played until the sun went down, then they all went home. Penny was tired and very happy. "I had so much fun playing," she said. "Me too," replied her mom. Playing is fun, but cleaning up is rewarding. When your space is clean, you can have even more fun. Penny thought about what her mom had said. She knew that her mom was right. "Thank you, Mama," she said, and she gave her mom a big hug. The end. Thanks for watching. See you next time.